Hi guys, long time no hair tutorial. So let's get in and make my hair. Guys, look at my hair. My hair is growing so well. Like if if you're not new on my channel, if you're new on the channel, you're welcome, and if you're an OG, you already know how it is. I'm about to make my hair and I'll be taking you guys along the process. And this is a new setting, so normally I would make my hair in the living room, but today I just want my personal space. So I'm going to make my hair in my room. So my hair is washed and I had tangled, creamed, do all of that. Someone left this comment on one of the shorts that I posted recently, and I want to say that washing your protective hairstyle is not a new thing. Okay, it is not a new thing. It is something that several people do. You just want to make sure that when you are taking down your hair, you do it carefully. So just so I have an event I am attending tomorrow. Though I will, like, my hair will be covered, but I just want my hair to still be well made. I want my hair to look neat underneath. I want my hair to look neat underneath. So for my extension, I have some leftover from, I think, from this kinky. I can't remember what brand, honestly. It's either Lush or Darling or Expression. So I have this, but I don't know if it's going to be enough because I want something long and full. Then I bought this new pack. This is the first time I would actually be using this particular. It's called Ceres and it's from Expression. This is the first time I'll be using it, so I'll let you guys know what I think. But from texture, it feels the same. Honestly speaking, it feels the same. So because I want to start with the one I have at home, and also this is the first time I will be starting my hair from the front. I will usually start my hair from the back, but I just want to try something new. Honestly, this is the first time I'm making my hair myself this year, so I just want to try something new. Let me get my scissors. So usually, if you've seen my previous video on my micro twist, it wasn't too long, but because this is going to be like big, I want it like a bit chunky and long, and I really do pray that it doesn't take too much of my time. I pray I pray, I pray, I pray. So I'm going to take this first three and go ahead and cut it into two equal parts, and that is what we would start the front part with. I really hope the sound of the generator is not too much. So let's start. Also, I'm not sure we even have this hair on for more than a month, maybe a month or less, but I still want something nice. I'm trying to see if the size is okay for me. My hair has grown so much, guys. So I am done with the front parts. My edges are so much of betrayals. So I'm done with the front parts. I am going to move to the back now. I am still okay. I cut 3 more from the last extension that I was using. So now we're going to go and start with the back. So I absolutely love the outcome of this particular hair. So lightweight. You guys know already that kinky is very lightweight. So this is what it is looking like. I am not all dressed up, but I just need to wrap up this tutorial. So this is it. I just brushed my edges. I didn't bother to lay it or use anything. So this is it. And one thing I can tell you for sure from this tutorial is that I have grown so much. I have grown so much when it comes to making my own hair myself. And like I said earlier, it is basically consistency. You just want to keep trying, and I can tell that my grip is better, my pattern is better, and I totally love the outcome. So I would say I use about 1.5 pack. Yeah, 1.5 pack. But you might not use up to that, or you might use more than that, because I always have a lot of like subscribers or people that watch my videos asking me how many pack I use for a particular tutorial. So that is why I am sharing this So depending on the size and length, you might use exactly what I use or more than what I use. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Join this family. We are currently on 3,600 and I think 10. Can we get to 4,000 before the month end? So I have more videos coming out this month. Please do not forget to watch, share with someone, and I'll see you guys in my very next one.